everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your utilities knife blade. This is a Milwaukee utility knife. So as you can see here, we've got some replacement blades. These are 25 millimeter H series from Milwaukee, and there's many of them, so we just pulled one out. It's very sharp, so just be careful. It has a little hole here at the end, and this is the blade with multiple ones that you can snap off. As they become less and less sharp, you can kind of snap them off. So for this particular knife, if you unscrew this one and you push it forward, this is the last blade here, it doesn't actually come out from the front. So what you have to do, you have to go all the way back. There's a little stopper here, so you just have to unscrew it enough to pass this stopper, and then the whole blade just comes out from the back. We take this one out, we put the new one in. It has a little hole here, so we put just align it with the plastic ridge here, and then we put it back inside same way. Okay, once it's past this little ridge, you want to turn this to the right and adjust to the appropriate, I guess, like depending on how much you want the knife to be out. Adjust and then tighten it, and that's it. So that's how you replace your utility knife blades. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.